Imagine you are opening a new shop or business in your city. First, you need an address so people can find you. That's your domain name. Then, you need a space to keep your items. That's your hosting. Together, they make your online shop visible to the world. And today, I will show you how to build your own website in just 5 minutes using AI plus hosting, no coding required. Hi everyone, my name is Anis from A Square Solutions. Welcome to my channel. If you have ever thought building a website is difficult, this video will change your mind. Make sure to hit the subscribe button because we create videos on AI, tech, science, space, and much more. Now let's get started. So first we go to the hostinger.com and log in into your account. I'm using the business account which allows me to create multiple websites easily. So if you don't have an account yet, I have added my special referral link in the description. Using it, you will get an extra 20% discount. Once you are inside, click on create or manage website. Just go create or manage website. Let me like now add a website and select website builder with AI. Hostinger even gives you a temporary domain so you can start building right away. Later you can register your own custom domain. So here we are just like travel blog. Let's take an example, travel blog, and description. I'm just writing create a modern travel blog website with sections for destinations, trips, and photo galleries. Now here I'm just clicking the create website. So as you can see, in just a few clicks, the website is ready. You can now customize it, change text, upload your logo, add your own images or videos. Like yeah, continue. From here, you can edit the section. Okay, edit the text, edit the logo, your company name, each and everything. Okay, if you want to try this for yourself, don't forget to use my Hostinger referral link in the description. It gives you an extra 20% discount on any plan you choose. If you want, let me show you one another website. Okay, let's try a different, like a restaurant website. Let's try give a prompt for the restaurant website. Okay, and design a stylish restaurant website with menu, reservation reservation form, and location map. Now just I'm clicking on the, now you can see. Now here the restaurant website is also ready. Okay, you can change the text, you can change the uh, images, you can change the logo, you can change whatever you want. Okay, everything you can customize. All right, so here's the fun part with AI. You don't need to code or design. You just type what kind of website you want and the builder creates it for you. All right, so let's try with a different niche. Okay, just give me a moment, create a new website. Okay, and this time let's create a website for a freelancer portfolio. All right. So here, design a professional portfolio website for a freelancer web designer with sections for work, samples, client testimonials, and contact form. All right, let's now create a website. Here you can see. So here we have completed. All right, so you can see this is the third website within 1 minute, after just giving a short description about what kind of website your business need or your shops needs. Okay, the a website AI builders just create within a few seconds. It's create a very stylish website for you. Okay, so these things uh, you can edit everything, your project or whatever you have. If you want to edit your add your videos or photos in the website, you can edit, you can customize. All right, so this is the complete website, AI generated website within 2 minutes or within 1 minute, you can see, you can say. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And don't forget, we also have an entire playlist of of AI generated videos on tech, science, space, research, and history. So check that out next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.